What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. It's Warm Wednesday, checking in on the natural bedding bin. I like the burlap. You can see pretty moist here, a little drier there and there. There's definitely a good amount of moisture in that, and I guess some worms and some bedding because that's actually starting to gain some weight. Okay, let's check this feeding area out. I know I had some broccoli stems and I fed the pulp. So we'll get a chance to see if anything's still around. You can still see a lot of fresh leaves. There's the mango pit. The grapevine, not too much left of that. Man, that broccoli stem still going strong. Oh, that's just a piece of stick. Wow, this is that pumpkin stem. And the top's breaking down pretty well right now. This is what I was saying. Normally, I've added pumpkin to like this bin, and it breaks down pretty quick. The one that I put into the Vermi Hut Plus seemed to take forever. I think there's definitely a lot more biology happening in this bin than the other one. I was looking to see if I find that other stem, the broccoli stem. I thought I had two pieces, but maybe the other one got eaten. We'll add some of those dry leaves to where the feeding area is going to be. Put the pumpkin stem, the grapevines, my mango pit should be somewhere in there too. This is more of a citrusy pulp. Still has some kale. But yeah, it definitely has a good citrus smell to it right now. Ooh, and I see a little strawberry. So that'll go in there too. On top of the feeding, I like to add some ground up eggshell for the worms. This gives them grit. Plus, it also helps to act as a buffer. So if the bin starts getting a little too acidic, this helps to kind of balance it out and bring it back towards neutral. Okay, just going to cover this up. Lots of fresh bedding still. So, my thing is, I like seeing that fresh bedding, so the worms have plenty of food. I'm going to go ahead and quick look on this other side, see how everything's going, and then this will be good for another 2 weeks. I do see this guy. He might have came over when I moved some stuff earlier. Oh no, there's still quite a few worms over here. Oh, this was that newspaper I added. I kind of incorporated it in with the whole bin. Now I remember. Okay. Well, everything got moved around. Everything smells great. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.